Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonnet, the owner and creator behind Sonnet's Garden Blooms. And in today's video, I was tasking myself with creating beautiful storage. And at the beginning of the year, I always think about getting organized. It's a fresh start. And in today's video, I am showcasing how I thrifted 3 pieces that really were probably garbage for other people, and I am transforming them into beautiful home decor so your storage can be beautiful. So stick around and watch how I transform something that is old and dingy and turn it into beautiful decor for my storage. When I saw these boxes while I was out thrifting, I knew that the brown one would be perfect for my molds and the green one would be perfect for my stamps, and the little caddy can hold all the extras and I can take it with me and carry it from workstation to workstation. I had a vision right away, guys. I initially started brainstorming for this project, and my vision was completely different than how this turned out. And that's what I love about creativity and brainstorming and just creating everything in general, that your vision can start out so different and in the end turn out absolutely amazing, but completely different. For starters, I am going to prep all my pieces. I decided to go with black, and I tossed this idea back and forth. I love turquoise. I love things that are very vibrant and bright, but looking at the transfer I wanted to use and thinking about how it was going to fit in my creative space, I settled on black. That way I can use them either in my studio. I can also carry them and bring them over into my shipping and receiving area where I do some crafting. It's going to fit perfectly in any of those areas. So also the one other thing I thought about was that the transfers will really pop off of that black, and I loved it. The black paint I'm using is a one-step paint, so no top coat required, and I'm applying 2 coats over all 3 pieces. You guys, this caddy is so stinking cute, and I really did love the wood tone, but I wanted to tie it in, so I left the wood on the inside and then I just painted the edges. Like I said right away, I initially wanted to use 2 separate transfers and really layer those transfers. But after looking at Madeline, I just decided I'm going to stick with all the same transfers, and I'm going to pull different ones and layer and apply them over all 3 pieces. Time I'm using a transfer and pulling a project together, I basically start laying all my pieces out to get an idea or a vision before I just start going ahead and applying. And I start with the biggest piece first, and I started laying them out and kind of positioning the transfers here and there, and then I finally got my vision. If you haven't used a transfer before, it is so stinking easy. Just lay your transfer down, use that transfer stick, and just start rubbing. And if the transfer doesn't fully come off, lay that piece back down, rub a little bit more, and in the end, it all will come off. And I just love how a transfer completely changes the look and feel of whatever piece you're working on. In this transfer called Madeline, I love how IOD created different size botanicals and almost like strips. So it was perfect for this little caddy. I was able to put a strip on both sides and then I wrapped it around the edges. I decided to add just a little bit of gold gilding wax to all the hardware. And I was not loving the brass on this. I just felt like with the black and these beautiful transfers that this gold gilding wax would be absolutely perfect. After all your transfers are applied, go ahead, grab your favorite top coat and completely seal your project. This will protect the transfers and also really make them pop. I wanted to add a bit of additional storage to my caddy, so I grabbed 3 ball jars. I'm using a clay-based paint and I'm applying 2 coats of that paint to each of the jars. Once those are dry, I do seal them with a top coat and I wrap some twine around them, and these are the perfect addition to that caddy, and the color that I chose really makes the transfers pop. I pulled out that beautiful purple within those transfers and I love it. From basic boxes to beautiful storage, how easy was it today to create some amazing, beautiful storage for your creative space? I cannot wait to see what each and every one of you do with your creative spaces. What did you guys think? I hope I've inspired you now to go out and grab some containers, upcycle them, and organize some of your own craft supplies or an area in your home. Just remember, storage can be absolutely gorgeous, and it is so easy with a little paint, transfers, paint inlays, whatever you have available, grab them and start creating beautiful storage. So if you guys haven't yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. That way, every Monday you'll be notified when I do release a video. Yeah, turn on that bell notification. I think that's what notifies you. In the comments, let me know what you guys are going to upcycle, or are you going to try to tackle some beautiful storage? And definitely hit the thumbs up if you like today's video. I also go live every Monday night with Tara from the Reclaimed Ranch, and we've been just having so much fun chatting with all of you and just creating. Each week we are just choosing a different project to work on, and we've been having so much fun. So typically we go live at 6. Tonight we're gonna be live at 5. My daughter, she got an award and they're presenting it at 7. So I had to go live a little bit early. But definitely if you can't catch the live, you're always able to watch the replay. All right, guys, you have a great week and we will see you next Monday. Bye.